shaker，没有那种。啊，没事，我自己来吧，谢谢。Okay. Hi everyone, and thanks for your time. And I'm super excited to be here and share the topic about like blockchain for good in DeSci. So let me introduce myself first. And my name is Freya, and I'm executive director at Blockchain for Good Alliance, and I lead the core strategy, incubation efforts, and strategic partnerships. So I'm truly passionate about finding and supporting the projects which leveraging the blockchain to address the real-world challenges. And in 2024, I engaged with over 300 projects and organized a large-scale event and built a strong network with 10+ advisors. And I successfully helped the key projects named ASIC Hub to secure 1 million liquidity funding by the Bybit. Yeah, so let me introduce a little bit about the Blockchain for Good Alliance, and you can also call us BJA. And we are the nonprofit initiative backed by Bybit, launched in 2024 April. And our mission and vision is to find and support the projects which use the blockchain technology to solve the real-world problem. So the next problem is like what we do to achieve our goals. You can see from the screen that for now we have the 4 pillars. The first one is about our hackathon program. So for now, each year we will sponsor like 30 to 40 hackathons to build the BJA track. The reason why we do this is because we believe most of the Web 2 persons into the Web 3 is to join the hackathon. So we want to encourage more builders to let them know, oh, you don't need to focus it on the meme GameFi, you know, how to become the dreamer about how to become the millionaire, billionaire tomorrow. We think this is not right way. So you need to focus it on how to use the technology to do something valuable, to create something sustainability blockchain impact. So we think this is a right way for the whole industrial development. So for now, if you have any hackathons opportunity, feel free to reach out to me. So let's explore how the BJA to involve into this hackathon. Maybe we could sponsor your hackathon and build the BJA track. And the second part is about our incubation program. So actually for now, we have our own incubation program, and we can provide the comprehensive support for the projects. For example, for the grants and for the Ignite incubation, it's kind of like light incubation support. We can give the 10,000 USD grants for the idea stage. And for the submersial startup, we can give like 10,000, 50,000, and even 1 million. And I think compared with the ventures, you know, for the BJA, we are the nonprofit initiative, so all the support is no return. It means like all the support, all the liquidity support is kind of the grants. So if you are interested for this program, maybe just can search about Chain for Good in Twitter and find our website, and you can apply for our incubation program. And also we have our joint fund. The reason why we want to do the joint fund is because we want to find some good partners which have the same mission and vision to provide more comprehensive support to the projects. So currently now we have the 3 joint funds. We have the joint fund, for example, with the UNDP. So we have some developing countries, and we have them to solve their problems, national problems. And also we have the joint fund with some layer 1, layer 2. For example, we focus on the Malaysia to help some Malaysia Muslim ecosystem to help them to get some specific problems. And we also have the joint fund, the specific in DeSci era with RSI and the HER2 protocol. Maybe later I will introduce. And also the last part is about our BJA awards. It is an annual BJA event, and this event we will award our outstanding contributors, our advisors, our mentor, and even some recognized achievements created by our projects. Okay, so maybe for now you want to know, so what kind of project we may receive our support? There are 3 examples here. First of all, it's a very famous project in this era, right? I think everyone know it. It's a research hub. So this is like a decentralized platform for scientific publishing and funding. So we believe that this project, they use the blockchain technology to help the real world problem like the publishing for the researcher content. So, and the ASIC Hub, this is our second project project, and this is like the DeFi project. They use the DeFi protocol to help the small and medium-sized coffee farmers. For this coffee farmer, they can get, and they couldn't get any loans from the traditional bank. So they use the users need to buy the tokens and staking these protocols, and the money will go to the farmers, and the farmers get the money. They can improve their the equipment to get more coffee beans and get more profits. And this kind of profits will go back to the staking holders. So this is their the business line. So we believe this is a very good project, and we also give them 1 million liquidity support. And also the last project is about Plastic Odyssey. For example, they use blockchain on-chain data to track their resources. For example, the users can scan their QR code, and they will easy to know, oh, this plastic is from which ocean trash. So we think this will make the whole process more transparent. So each of projects align with our mission. They have the real-world impact and through the verifiable and decentralized systems. Okay, so this is the more details we provide for each of projects. For example, for the ASIC Hub, we provide the liquidity is the more 1 million. And for the grants, we give 50,000 USDT dollars. And since the team is quite small, they only have 10 persons. They don't have professional legal team, but they need to check a lot of documents, especially they need to transfer the coffee beans from Mexico to Europe. So we use the Bybit professional legal team to help them to check every document. And also for the next 6 months, all the BJA and Bybit event, we will give this project the free boost to help them to get more marketing exposure, to let more and more person to know their project. Okay, that's all. And the next part is about our BJA with DeSci. The reason why we want to focus on the DeSci is because we find that the traditional scientific research may face a lot of huge bottlenecks, especially when translating early research into the real world, applications. You can see from this image, this is called the Valley of Death. You can see from maybe 80 or 90% of the research per site die before the human trials. So for the BJA, we believe that in the future, and open science deserves the open infrastructure, and blockchain may enable a verifiable per-owned knowledge system. So we believe that it maybe have some blockchain angle to help this traditional research. So we just want to find and support some good DeSci projects to help them to grow better. Okay, so how we do this is because we don't want to just say something. We want to do something real. So we just launched this joint fund with RSI and Her2. And the joint fund is about $100,000. And this joint fund combine BJA's global platform with RSI academic reach and Her2's technical stack ensures that we could provide a complete pathway from idea to prototype to scalable real-world solution in the real of the DeSci. And currently for this joint fund, we are in the second science zone. And I think this is not like the traditional hackathon, only faced on the idea stage. So if you are projects looking for more support, and if you are interested, maybe can find in our website and just register here. So for now, we are open our registration channel. Yeah. Okay, that's all for my today's keynote and sharing. So thank you for your time, and let's build together, be part of the movement to drive blockchain adoption for global good. Thank you.
Thank you, Freya.